sentimental tears, cries of suicidal Vietnam vet. He fought a losing war on a foreign shore to find his country and to want him back. The bullets took his best friends in Saigon, our lawyers took his wife, his kids, no regrets. Anytime I don't remember, in a war he can't forget. He cried, forgive me for what I'd done there, 'cause I never meant the things I did. And give me something to believe in.